This is Frost from Loki and Gunner, and he's reserved. He has 2 blue eyes, solid white coat, black nose, and he's got a nice fluffy coat to him. He's going to be have a nice thick coat to him, and be a nice stocky build. He's a big boy. Hey Frost. Hi Frost. Hi Frost. Hi Frost. Look at those feet. Look at those feet, Frost. You got big ones. Oh, yawn. It's bedtime. Let's see your eyes open. See your eyes closing. And this is Baby Frost from Loki and Gunner.